Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and we're coming to you live on SNN Live, and we're at the B. Riley Conference, and we're in Santa Monica, California, in a Lowe's Hotel, and I happen to have B. Riley. Bryant Riley is here. Great event.
Thank you. No, we're really happy with it.
There's a lot of money walking around.
We spent a lot of money to get them here, so it's a symbiotic relationship.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Now, who said there's no money on Wall Street?
Well,
Hello.
you know, it's look, I think what's going on a little bit is you have less firms, fewer firms, and adding more value to their clients. So both on the research side and the banking side. And so we're trying to take advantage of that.
You know, you walk around an event like this, and you see a lot of the top-notch firms. And then you walk into the meeting rooms, they're loaded,
Right.
and there's one-on-ones, and they're engaging. Then the big room is, every table is filled,
Right.
Everybody's getting the lowdown, getting filled in. I see people taking notes. That's a successful conference.
No, well, I think it speaks to the companies we have and the clients that are here, the institutional clients. They do a lot of work. And everybody's doing more work right now. It's not a world in which you can just go buy any random stock and hold it. It's a much more active research kind of world. So that's what these guys do, and they do more than just B. Riley. They do a lot of other ones, and they stay on top of these companies. We hope we're the best one, but no, for sure, the investors here are very active in the research side.
Yeah, I saw major research being conducted. I saw guys taking notes, and I said to myself, wow, if I had a public company,
Right.
This is probably the place I'd want to be at. And your annual. So this was your 11th annual.
Right.
Where's the 12th annual going to be?
It's going to be here. We're really happy. We had it in Vegas for about 9 years, and we're an LA-based firm. We're one of the largest regional firms in Southern California, and we're based here. So this is where it's going to be from now on.
So what kind of deals do you think are hot these days? Excuse my using the word hot.
Right. You know, we are contrarians. We're usually trying to find the ones that everybody hates, and that's where you usually find the most value. So, you know, what's hot is technology is certainly hot. People feel like we're we're in the beginning of a cycle. Obviously, banks are right this moment a little less hot because there's confusion over what's going to happen with the government. But I think there's some interesting opportunities in that segment, so we're looking there pretty hard. And e-liquid stocks. The more e-liquid, the better the value. People are nervous about taking positions in these, and that depresses the value.
So I have to tell you, the first day of the show, the market takes a dump and comes back and closes like
Right.
flat almost.
Right.
You know, that bodes really well for the market. Don't you agree with that?
Well, I think our conference did that. Yeah, I think it got the market back. Yeah.
I didn't want to take the credit myself for being at the
Right,
conference.
right.
That would have been right.
Right. You know, I find it really hard to estimate what's going to happen with the market. We really try and find companies that are cheap and really keep it company specific. So my view, I guess, if that's what you're asking, I think there's a lot of really cheap small companies, and they're going to get. I think there's going to be a lot of M&A. I think a lot of these companies ultimately will get bought, and they're great investment opportunities. But you got to do your work, and that's what we try and help people with.
You know, you read the best authors, the guys that are really followed, and research is key. That's what I'm seeing.
Right. And that's what this firm's based on. We have 20 investment bankers, but really for 8 years we had no bankers. It was all research. So that is the core of this firm.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bryant Riley, the B. Riley Conference, which was a huge success in Santa Monica. And by the way, you couldn't have had better weather.
No, this was great. Everything's good here, so we're happy to have you guys, and
Well,
thank you
we're
for
happy to be
taking
here.
the time.
We're loving it. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Great show.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.